Unfortunately, I got sick, so I didn't get to go fishing. But I gave Obed my camera, and he videoed the harvest of a lobster, which is delicious. But he got too excited when he got his mangrove snapper, and he didn't get it on video. We just heard this frog screaming for help, and we came running out here, and out here in the yard, there's this green vine snake swallowing a frog. I think I got some video of it, but there's a rain coming in and it's really dark, so it was pretty hard to get good video. And it's way up in a tree, making it more difficult. Heard the frog screaming for help. That's how we found the snake. Bye-bye frog, there goes the last of it. Tiptoes are disappearing. Road cruising with a friend for nightjars and snakes in Spanish Lookout. And then use two hands and let it crawl on you. Can't believe we found a snake already.
Very glad you were looking, because I was looking out for owls.
Beautiful.
I was too. I knew Victor would be looking.
Beautiful king snake.
I didn't want to look for snakes when I could look for owls.
Such an incredible snake. Look at that pretty head.
It's kind of a nice, docile snake. Well, trying to prove me wrong. It bit me. I'm going to die now.
You think so?
What if it's coral?
I don't think it is. Okay.
It's got blood on its mouth.
Yeah, I don't think it's a coral.
And you really think coral snakes get that big?
Yeah.
Here. I wish we had it in daytime where we could get better
I think
photos.
there's poop at the back end.
Yeah.
This is red on black and the yellow's in between the black.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find pictures of the king snake in Belize. This is the king snake.
Does it say what the name is? Full name of the king
The
snake?
thing is, I'm trying. Let me go to iNaturalist.
Okay.
Yeah. Makan.
Unbelievable. It's a Yucatan nightjar sleeping here on this tree. Is it a male with that much white on the undertail?
Yeah, that's a male Yucatanature.
Unbelievable. I cannot believe it's sitting so tame and quiet. Something hilarious just happened that would have made the best video ever. This mangy mutt was sleeping under a cahoon tree, and out of nowhere, out of the tree, dropped the parrot snake and landed smack right in the middle of the dog. And the stupid mutt had no idea what was happening, and it woke up with a crazed look in its eyes, saw the snake, and went crazy. The look in his eyes was priceless. But the snake climbed right back up, and within a few minutes it had caught a frog and was swallowing it, some kind of tree frog. And save the frog. Come on, focus.
He's gonna start biting your phone.
No, he can't bite you, Robin. You can catch him now.
I'm
By the way, Nick.
gonna meet the frog first.
Yeah. That's like that. If you try to snake you,
On stop.
Dan, when you saw, you lost it. You should have been watching. Eating a frog right 2 inches closer to Victor's phone. Well, I see the frog right now.
Let's save the frog now.
Are there enough frogs?
As soon as the frog is in, it's gone. How am I supposed to video? Whatever. How can I video if it uses my freaking phone for a vine?
Okay, well let me just get it.
Kind of stinks.
They do because they poop.
Woo, he smells absolutely terrible.
Their poop stinks fierce. It's nice and green. It's gonna bite Zeke.
It's called a parrot snake. Good grief, it rained mangoes.
Alright, my name, what if one hits me on the head?
That doesn't matter. Just make sure you remember what you did.
Woo! There's a live one.
That's what I want. Go ahead, take another big whack.
Super delicious.
There they are. Very nice. The people of the tropics work very hard to make a living growing fruits and vegetables. And when a big flock of coatis comes in, 100 or 150, and eat everything, something has to be done. But nothing goes to waste. Here you can see a king vulture and a bunch of black vultures recycling these coatis back into the food chain.